I don't know about y'all, but January wore me thin. We're not here to harp on that. We're moving forward, we're keeping our heads high, and we're doing what we gotta do, okay? That's what we're doing. So, I pretty much neglected my hair last month. Not gonna hold you. So I wanna do another style. So today I am thinking about doing some 2-strand twists. It's been a hot little minute since we've done that. And the hair's grown, okay? She's showing out. So, I wanna see what she looks like with the bob. And y'all, it's been a little hot in SC. Who else is getting this crazy weather? Like, what is going on? 76 degrees? Who are we? Like, no, but all serious, that's kind of scary. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm not doing anything super special. It's gonna be moisturizing and 2-strand twisting. I do want them a little smaller, so we'll go ahead and get started. But if you're new here, my name is Keke J, and on this channel we do a little mix of everything. We do locs, fashion, lifestyle. I've been in the tech on my other 2 channels, so let me know if you want to see that migrate over to YouTube. Because y'all, I love tech. I love tech, and I'm glad I put myself out there with it because the response has been great. I've always been into crispy quality, not just with my hair, but I like crispy quality. So if y'all are interested in that, let me know. I'm actually probably gonna take this off because these lights are a little warm. Not gonna hold you. And y'all, are y'all liking the new setup? Let me know. If you want to see what I did, also leave that in the comments. Oh, also another one before we get started, and then I promise I'll be done. I promise. Y'all, the gaming channel, we're getting back at it. So a new video will be out today, so don't miss that. We finished up finally Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. We finally finished that, but Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 is out, so your girl will be playing that. So make sure you subscribe to my gaming channel as well, because y'all, you get a different Kiki over there when I'm playing some games. But y'all, let's get to it. So I'm just using my water, of course, my trusty Celia YG African healing oil. This stuff is amazing. And then their protective leave-in spray. So I'm gonna take my ring off because it gets a little challenging when all of that stuff gets on there. But I'll just spray my hair with water. Ooh. It's a little warm, y'all. Sheesh. I'm not about to be turning this heat up and down and this power bill go up. That's an absolute no. Just put this all over. Y'all know I got to have the scalp moist. Y'all, Super Bowl coming up. I'm ready to see Kendrick. Okay, so just moisturizing there. I'm gonna put some on my ends too. And nothing special, y'all. Y'all, I don't know how long was the last time I done this. It had to be when I had that patch of orange up in my head. Wait, was it? No, it was not, I remember. I literally just did a lot recap on it. How could I forget that? But yeah, I did a couple cute styles with it, y'all, and I'm excited to do it now. See what she looking like. And it's something about this oil, like it just, I don't know, it's everything. I absolutely love it. If you've used it, you know exactly what I mean. And if you're interested in any of these products, of course, I have it linked in my description. Okay, that's good. I don't plan on retying my hair again until our anniversary, which is March 11th. So another retie will not be happening until then. But I'm just gonna be using some rubber bands. I'm gonna start at the back. So I'm gonna just put this in a little bun like so. Oh, and y'all, Beyonce won some Grammys. And did y'all watch the Grammys, y'all? Beyonce showed out, Kendrick showed out. I was most proud of Doechii because like everybody deserved it. But Doechii, yes, she deserved it. I think I'm gonna start off like since I want them small, I think I'm gonna do like at least 4 in each row. I'm just gonna twist like so. Ooh. I can't even twist today. Yeah, I like that size. So I'll do 4 and keep it there. Y'all, also, I tried a new makeup routine, some new makeup. So I don't know how she's showing up, but if it looks bad, that is why. So I gotta get used to it. But let me know what you think about it. Do I want to keep it long or ooh. Tell me this is not where the bob is stopping at. I don't know. Do I want a longer bob or a shorter bob? What do y'all think? That's where we would stop at right there. What is that like? Okay, past shoulder before armpit. I would think I want it a little shorter. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Yeah, let's go there. I want it to be short, but still have some cute volume to it. And I'm just gonna take one rubber band and loop it around twice. Y'all know I don't loop them tight because I gotta be able to take this out when it's time. And I don't want to tear my hair out. So I'll go ahead and pre-section just to make sure I got enough. So let me do this side. 1, 2, 3. This one gonna have 3, but it's fine. So 3 to 4 in each. That's what I'm doing. Ooh, and my ends are curly. But just checking in, how are y'all doing? Like I said, I know it was 57 days in January, so it's just like very overwhelming. So make sure y'all are protecting your peace, because I definitely had to do that. I had to step away for a little bit, about a good week and some change maybe. I just had to step away because it was too much. Every time you open your phone, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I don't want to hear no more. The next thing I want to hear is when the mug is gone. That's all I'm gonna say. That's it. Okay, so that's 2 down. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it there. But again, make sure you are protecting your peace. Your peace matters. Take care of you and yours, and just keep doing what you gotta do. But I'm gonna be quiet now and go ahead and let y'all watch me finish. Okay, that's cute. Okay, I like that length. So let's go ahead and keep on going. And this is my finished product. I am obsessed with how it came out. The size is perfect. The length is perfect. I just love this look so much. I can't wait to try out some new styles since my little bob is longer and get into the movement. Stiff wear, okay? Where we stiff at. But y'all, I did this literally perfectly. I can't comprehend it. But it's always a joy doing this style. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so let me know if you did. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. You won't regret it. And don't forget to check out my gaming channel and the products. They'll be linked below. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.